In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a poll to your story in Facebook. So first, you wanna click add story, add to story to create a new story. Then you wanna click on any story you would like to share, any image. Then on the top right, you will see stickers. Click on stickers, and then here you will see poll. Click on it, and you have the option to like ask a question or create your own poll. So let's say, did you drink milk today? And then let me just put a okay, and then you can just leave it. Click done. You could also adjust the poll answers, like edit them, and then you could edit yes, of course. You could have basically anything you would like here, and after you're done you could just click share, and just like that, this is how you add a poll to your story in Facebook. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.